Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's a really exciting video. I am doing a iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing. I've never done an unboxing on my channel, so I'm very excited. I currently have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold, and I didn't get the 13 last year. I really don't know why, but I got the 14. And yeah, let's get into this video and unbox it because I've been waiting all day. This arrived while I was at work, so if I look tired or crusty or busted up, I'm sorry, I just got out of work. But yeah, let's get into it. If you hear anything in the background, I'm so sorry. I live in a loud household, and yeah. So we are about to open her up. Why would they tape it like this? Like, y'all really just for what? I got the space black color because your girl wanted a black phone. I'm over the gold. I was between black and silver, but I haven't had a black phone in I don't even know how long, and I'm so excited. So right here they have these little things where you peel it off, and there's another one right here at the bottom. And here she is. Stop playing with her. It's black, Pookie Bear. It's black. Light is black. I don't even know if y'all could tell, but it's so pretty. And then y'all already know what comes in the box. This little thing and the same charger. But in here, it comes with this card. Don't mind my nails, I'm so sorry. It comes with this card that basically tells you you no longer need a SIM card. So it's an eSIM, and then that's the box. Literally, that's the box. I ordered a case and screen protector and all that, but it's coming tomorrow because my phone wasn't even supposed to get here today. Like, I wasn't even supposed to have it this week. I just ordered it on Sunday. It's Thursday and it's here already, so I wasn't really prepared. But I'm gonna see if my old case fits on here. Yo, look at this camera right here, like. So this is the 14 and then this is the 12. And yeah, you could definitely tell the cameras are humongous. Like, let me see, can y'all even see? They stick out way more. Okay, let's take this off now. The phone without the notch goes boom. Hey y'all. Like, can y'all see that? Okay, anyways, whatever. Let's turn her on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hello, baby. Swipe up. English. United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone near it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Continue. And then it says to hold it up to the camera. So that's what I did. It just says waiting for other iPhone. I don't know why it's on my messages right now, but it just says it may take a while to activate your iPhone. I'm blocking this out because it says my number. Set up eSIM, and it says transfer from another iPhone It says my number transfers this iPhone. This says complete cellular setup later in settings. So I'm gonna transfer it. So it's telling me to set up Face ID. Get started. If y'all can't see me, I'm so sorry. Boom. Nah, we're not doing a mask setup later. First Face ID is now set up. Boom. Transfer from iPhone. Transfer directly so this iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. It says 45 to 55 minutes, and then the iCloud one says 15. It's giving weird. You know? Let's do iPhone. I'm scared. I pressed it. I don't know if I pressed the wrong one, guys. So it says terms and conditions, agree. Setting up your Apple ID. I'm sorry, I'm so close. This is probably the worst iPhone unboxing anybody has ever done. Okay, agree. I'm so excited. Like, the no notch looks real clean, and this phone is black as hell. Like, I love it. I literally had to take a notebook out and write all my contacts in it and the passwords to my stuff on it just in case it wouldn't transfer, because no. Y'all, please pray for me that I picked the right option, because I'm scared for real. Okay, it's saying to add my card on here, and I'm just gonna do this later. So I don't want to do that right now. So it says emergency SOS. iPhone is ready to help in an emergency. It has crash detection now, which is mad cool. And it has emergency SOS via satellite, which iPhone can try to text emergency services via satellite if it can't connect to cellular, which is about time, you know. Continue. Oh my gosh. It's transferring. Y'all, I'm so excited. I spontaneously one day was just like, Mom, like, let's go to T-Mobile. I want to get a new phone. We went, and she was telling me that I still had money that I owed on this phone, which initially I was going to give this phone to my little brother, and I was going to upgrade and get this phone. And then he didn't end up wanting it. He wanted a different phone. So I was going to do a trade-in, which is really not worth it because they don't even give you really much anything. So I paid this phone off. I finished paying it off. So this is mine now. And then I got this phone. Time remaining about 12 minutes. But I feel like it's going to keep going. Yeah, it's going up and up and up. So now it says 16 minutes. 19 minutes, 21. She was telling me, she said, you can order it now, or you can check other stores to see if they have it, which I had called other stores to see if they had it, and nobody had the Pro Maxes in stock. Like, they only had the regular 14s or some of the regular 14 Pros, and I'm a Max type of girl. So I was like, no. I was like, let's just go. And then last minute I was just like, you know what, no, let me just order it, because she was saying that it was going to come at the end of October or November, and I was just like, whatever, like, at least I have it ordered, at least I know I'm going to get it. So I had ordered it or whatever, and I got an email saying that it was going to be shipped out 3 days after, which I was just like, nah, this doesn't make sense. And the next day after it was shipped out, it's here. Like, stop. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. See if everything transferred and if I picked the right one. But pray for that mommy that I did. Like, please. Also, on Amazon, because it's coming tomorrow, I have Prime, I ordered a clear case because it came with, I think, 3 screen protectors and 3 camera protectors or something. I didn't really want a clear case. Like, I didn't want to be that girl, but I'm gonna get cute ones. We bringing back the iPhone case collection. We bringing back all that. And in my next video, I want to do a iOS 16 customization video. So let me know if y'all want to see it down below. Regardless if y'all want to see it or not, I'm gonna make it. But like, it'll make my day if y'all like, yeah, I want to see this video, or whatever type of content y'all want to see. Comment down below and all that good stuff. Okay, guys. So it says about 1 minute left. I'm scared. Y'all, did y'all pray for me like I asked? Please. I'm talking about it's so black. It's so black. Like, I didn't order a black phone. I love it. Like, it's because this is space black. It's not called I imagine it's not called space black. Yeah, it is. Space black, 256 gigabytes. Because I wasn't feeling the space gray. Like, no. Y'all talking about black. It's gray as fuck. This is a black world. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look. Transfer complete. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna press continue. It says erase this phone. I'm not gonna touch anything on this yet. This phone turns on because I need to see if everything was transferred over. Like, I'm scared. Like, y'all, look at the new display. This is off, okay? You touch it and it comes. Stop playing with her, okay? Look at the dynamic island. Don't do that. Just don't. Oh my gosh, my stuff really came over. Set up cellular. Okay, we're gonna set it up. Your default card has been added to Apple Cash. Okay. Finish setting up cellular. Guys, I'm screaming on the inside, seriously. Okay. Right here. Transfer number. Is it working? Oh, iOS 16 is to update. What's going on? I'm still getting my notifications on this phone. Maybe is it because I need to do the update on this phone for it to start working? Like, what's going on? I don't like this. For real. It says preparing update. My messages are coming through. Like, come on, Apple, hurry up with this damn update. I'm sick of it, for real. Hurry up, hurry up. Does that mean it's working? Like the eSIM? Oh, it just finished. It says your iPhone has been updated to iOS 6.0.2. So everything is the same. Like, all my apps and everything is set up the same. Did it transfer my... Bro, it transferred my freaking contacts. All right, let me show y'all something. Y'all see this little island right here? This is the dynamic island. Okay, play with her. So let's say you open up music. Let's play a random song. Close it. And it goes at the top. Like, are y'all seeing this? Look, and then when you press it, it opens up to that. But if you hold it down, it pops up like that. And then y'all know already, if you go on clock, let's say you set a timer, 20 minutes, start, boom, it's right there at the top. And you click on it, boom, hold it down, boom. But yeah, that was my iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing. I will never get over this. How that looks. It looks so nice and sleek. Like, I love this phone already so much, but I'm gonna continue to play with it. I'm gonna make a video on iOS 16 customization, the whole phone, lock screen, home screen, widgets, all that. So stay on the lookout for that. Stay on the lookout for iPhone case videos, because those are coming back. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I hope y'all can see me well, but I just got home from work, so like, excuse scrubs, excuse everything, but my case came in the mail today, so I wanted to show y'all. This is it, and I'm gonna open it with y'all and put it on the phone, and I want to show you guys a comparison of the phones, like the pictures and stuff. Comes with 2 of these wipes to clean it. It comes with 3 actually. It comes with 3 camera protectors. It comes with, excuse the noise in the background, it comes with this MagSafe attachment that you can put it on, so you can actually use the MagSafe. You can put this inside the case. It comes with this. It comes with 3 screen protectors, in the actual case. I had to make sure all the air bubbles is out because no, I don't play with that. The case, it's clear like I told y'all. I didn't even want to get a clear case, but whatever. On the back and on the inside, boom. So that's how that looks. I'm gonna insert a picture of the 14 Pro Max picture right here compared to the 12 Pro Max. Front camera first, and then I'll show y'all the back camera in comparison. 14 and the 12. Worst unboxing video thus far, but yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel because we's on the road to 1K, okay? And when we get there, y'all already know we're doing a giveaway. Once we get a little closer to 1K, we will discuss the giveaway details and all that stuff. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you.